How to install Twitch plugin in Adobe After Effects. So to first of all, you have to, just go to your file explorer, make sure you have downloaded your, a Twitch plugin. And once you download it, just go to your Windows version here and just make sure you have to locate the location where you have installed your After Effects file. So in my case, it is in the program files here, Adobe, and in some cases there's always for different file. For example, if you have both the application Premiere or After Effects, and do you if you use more than other softwares of Adobe, then usually you will find in a different name. So here we have to go to the plugin section, and here you have to paste it up. Right now, once you paste it here, you will able to say this. In some cases, your file is always in the just I told you, and this is where it's located. Now you have to make sure you have to paste there, and make sure that you have 64 or 30-bit depending upon what operating system you use, whether you use 32-bit or 64-bit. You have to paste it up there. Right now, go back to your Video Copilot account and download the Twitch key file, unzip and drag the Twitch key file into the same plugin folder alongside twitch.aex. So this is it. Now you can just go and open. By the way, while doing this, make sure that your After Effects is completely closed in the background, right? And now you can just open it up and you will able to find the Twitch. Thanks for watching.